In this video, I'll show you how to quit an app or a game on your Xbox Series S or X. So let's say you're in a game, you want to quit it. There's two ways you can do this. First way is to press on this Xbox logo once. You'll have this menu appearing on the left side. Go down, select the app or game that you want to quit. Right here, I'm in Mortal Kombat, so I'll select it, and then press this button on your controller once. You'll have many options, then go down, select quit, and this is it. You'll be back on the main menu of your Xbox. Another way you can do it, let's say you're over here, you're playing a game and you press this Xbox logo and press A. You're now home, but this does not mean that the app that you're previously using is now closed. So it's running in the background, and how to close it? Press again the Xbox logo once, select the app, press this button on the controller, go down and quit it. This way it will not run in the background anymore. So this is it. This is how you quit an app or a game on your Xbox Series S or X. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.